to transfer all the gels on the
So you
transfer
do
foil
French
image. Yeah.
Then do marble. Marble give you a more solid smile line.
More solid. Okay. And then we can put maybe one butterflies on the top of it, huh? I think that's be cool.
You have flower, you have butterfly, you have charm, you have a lot of things.
Little furs, uninvited fur come there. Mika, how you doing, Mika? Good. You get some rest? We just came back from a show yesterday for like a whole team, so dedicated, and we're so grateful to have a Glitz team behind the scene. You couldn't come to us, we come to you. So whenever you get chance, we would love to see you. So 30-second here on this beauty. Maybe I'll get a little bit more.
Yeah, and thank you to everyone that visited us at our booth in ABS. It was so fun.
A great show, and we're looking forward to see you in the next shows. All right, so here for 60 seconds. 30 seconds, sorry. I said, wait, this is only need 30 seconds. And I just use the premium eye hole transfer foil. It's here in 30 seconds. Oh, mommy. Thank you so much. Yes, mommy, we just got back from a show. Right here. And I'm gonna get these marbles from the box that I just received, the subscription box.
Since you do two, one nails you can do marble, the other nails you can do butterfly.
Huh?
So people see the...
I was thinking to layer them. I was thinking of doing marble first and then put the flowers, the butterflies on the top. You see what I mean? Did you get what I mean?
Sure, try it out.
Doesn't matter, whatever you want. Oh my gosh. It just pop up because I didn't press it out. Give it a good pressure. Second. Make sure you get all the bubble out. Somehow I didn't get it out. I'm gonna do the second one. I just want to make sure that they are covered, because sometimes if I not cover them all, they're not gonna transfer. Go ahead, press down. And give another. Press it again. Okay, so now I am go ahead and using another coat of the transfer foil. You know, could be from the from I supposed to clean with the alcohol with the tip, because the tip is already colors. But anyway, we wouldn't try that on the next one as well. We'll see what we are going to create with another layer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So make sure when you're doing it, here's a tip. So when you get the tips on and it's already colored, so make sure you're using the alcohol and wipe off it, because, you know, probably it's my hands with the cuticle oil. We'll get that. So cure for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna transfer another layer on the top. Second. Now I'm gonna wipe this one off. With alcohol. And then on the second layer, we are gonna add some of the butterflies. This doesn't want to stick. Don't want to touch it. I should cut it because it's trying to stick on the next one. Okay, cut it off. So I don't have to worry about it's coming off on the next one. Stick on the next nails. Come right off. Fix this one. Keep try to escape it. Okay. I'm gonna do the another butterflies on this set, these nails. You can do one layer. You don't have to do 2 layers. Is the butterfly so cute? So I'm gonna want to put it on the top of the marble and see what's up with that. So I want to make sure they are stay nice and secure. Okay, this one you can put it on looks good though. I clean it good, so when you put the transfer foil gel, it's gonna stay nice in the same place. So now I got this red layers. I'm gonna put the top coat first because I want to do some sugaring on that as well. Just a French line, smile lines for this. And if you want sugaring, make sure you top coat it so then that way it won't stick on the foil tacky layer. All right, here for 60 seconds. And then we're gonna be using the red colors. That's what I got, but you might get the white, you might get the blue, green. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what you are getting. I might move one of the flowers on that fingers, the third one. And then we're gonna using this to draw the line. Hey, McDelias. Thanks so much, babe. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay. I'm gonna draw this on. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Never knows what you're gonna do cool. Come in your sub box because this 2-color is definitely really nice and vibrant, and I like it a lot. I'll move the bottle out on the side because I won't heat it. Mm-hmm. Just make sure that I'm not like
Yeah, keep going.
off from the camera. Okay. So now if you don't want any sprinkle of sugaring, you are absolutely good to go. It's clear for 60 seconds top coat and you're good to go. But we are going to add some of the sugaring on it. Snow White sugaring. And you can go ahead and sprinkle it all over the nails. This would not thicken anywhere but that gel painting that I just did. Because we protect all of the backgrounds with, you know, white top coat already. So we don't have to worry about it's not going to, it's kind of sticking on. Sprinkle like about 3, 4, 5 times. Sprinkle it one more time. Okay. Tap it only and don't dust anything yet. Okay, so we're gonna definitely key it first.